Another day, another AMG cold start. And look what I come out to this morning. My tire at 0 PSI. So if any of you guys are selling a set of stock wheels, let me know. Damn, that's a GT3. Good morning, you guys. We are here in the AMG on a Sunday morning. Headed to my boy that does like headliners, and we're gonna be getting 1,000 Starlights put in the Mercedes. Cause these bucket seats look good, but at night the car's kind of dark. So we're gonna brighten up this interior a little bit with 1,000 Starlights. Alright, we made it over here. Look, this is the owner's TLX on a mid shit stall. I guess it's Mercedes day at the shop. Look, we got a, I think it's a GLE C-Class. And we got the Benz getting the stars right now. So this is the kit that we're gonna be installing. It is 1,000 pieces. Look, I'll show you guys right here. It's 1,000 pieces with 3 different sizes. So it should be a crazy bright twinkle. Well, at least I know it'll be clean now. Damn. It's dropped already. So my boy literally removed the headliner in like 10 minutes, bro. He makes it look so easy because like he does this for a living. Let me show you guys what the car looks like stripped though. And no, this is not a tutorial. If you guys want a tutorial, there's hella videos on YouTube, but lowered the buckets all the way. And look what the car looks like with no roof. It looks crazy in there. And my girl saved the day. Let me know if you guys want more content on the Alpha. Alright, so we just pulled back up. He's finishing up the car right now. I don't want to look at it until it's done, so you guys can get my reaction on camera. Alright, you guys. I was just checking it out. Hold on, let me put my seat up a little bit. Alright, let's see what these stars look like. Damn. That shit looks good. And it's daytime and it's so bright.
Yeah, it does.
What? Yo, he snapped. Oh, they go away too. The little white things, they go away. Just get a little brush. We good.
What I gotta do so I can make it. I've been going, they been trying to hate on me cause they not how I'm moving. I got no more beef with my arms, I be cooking. I spin the phone, that's how I be cruising. I got me no wax, I been going real stupid. How you say you got me, then you acting fool.
So we're driving home from my boy's shop right now. I'm on the turnpike. And look how the stars is hitting during the day. The kit that I got is super bright. So it hits in the day as well as the night. I'm sure you guys can see the twinkles going off right now. The kit that I have is one of the brightest kits on the market, and I'll have it linked for you guys in the description if you guys want to use the same Starlight kit as me. And I'm sure I mentioned it earlier, but this is a 1,000-piece Starlight kit with 4mm, 6mm, and 8mm thickness of stars. So that's what gives it the nice look.
Around town and that, oh my god, where in the hell did he get it from? Where'd you get this fine? Like, bitch, can I hit this time? I had 6 grams in that blunt. I ain't think.
So now that it's a little bit dark outside, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the headliner. So as you guys can see, it's super twinkly. The amount of stars we went with was 1,000. I paid my homeboy $550 for the labor to install it, and the kit on is anywhere from $250 to $350. I'm not sure of the exact price, but somewhere in that ballpark. So in total to get all this done was around like 800 or so. So not too bad. Some other shops wanted like 1,500 plus for 1,000 stars. So I think I got a pretty good deal, and I'm more pleased with the quality of work, the job that he did. He did a really good job with this car. Like, you could run your hand all along the stars and you don't feel anything on the headliner. So I'm really happy with that. And a lot of people were telling me that I should have reupholstered my headliner suede, but honestly, the car's a low mileage car and the headliner wasn't sagging at all. So maybe in the future, if it starts sagging, you can't see the stars like that, I'll have him reupholster the headliner. But for now, I think we're just chilling, honestly. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is the kit comes with a remote, so you could change the colors. But it also comes with an app. It's called My Smart LED. So I'll show you guys both. Look. So I can make it red, blue, green, blue. That's like a yellowish color. Kind of still looks white on camera. This is like a turquoise. That's like magenta. There's like a neon green. Another turquoise. Purple. Orange. Another different shade of turquoise. And a different shade of purple. And then if you guys look, this is the app. So it's like the same thing. Let me lower the brightness on my phone. But look, it's like the same thing, and then you could just move around the color wheel. And as I'm moving the wheel, you guys should see the lights in the ceiling change with it. And you can adjust the brightness. Look, I'll lower the brightness right now. Look, that's low brightness, and then as you guys can see, the brightness went up. So there's a lot of cool controls. There's some modes. There's like twinkle speeds. It's on speed 4 right now. I can do speed 3, speed 2, speed 1. So I still haven't even dialed it in the way I like. It's just I'm rocking the kit the way it is. But as I use it more, I'll definitely figure out more things you could do with the kit. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next episode. Bro, once I like went into a car with stars, bro, I need this shit in every car.
How much is it? Oh, it was $350.
He charged me $550 to install it, and then